Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to roast garlic. Using roast garlic in a dish instead of regular garlic is a good way to elevate the flavor. It's really simple to do. It's going to take about 30 to 40 minutes and I'm going to show you how to do it. First we're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Now let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. Now to roast our garlic, all we're going to need is a couple heads of fresh garlic. If you can find it already peeled, that's even better. It'll save you a few minutes. If not, I'll show you how to peel these. Some salt and pepper and some olive oil. Now there are several different ways to roasting garlic, but I'm going to show you my favorite, which I think is the easiest. One of the ways that people do it is they cut off the top, they drizzle with oil, and they put it in the oven. We're going to bypass all that. And all we're going to do is pop out each clove of garlic, take our knife, give it a little smash just to break that skin off. I didn't do it too hard. There we go, just so it cracks. Pull the outside skin off. Then we have our cloves. I'm going to do that a few more times, and I'm going to show you how to prepare the rest. Once our garlic's all peeled, we're going to lay it down on a sheet of aluminum foil. We're going to give it some fresh salt and pepper. Now this is a good time to add in some herbs if you want, just to add a little bit more flavor into it. We're going to drizzle it with a little bit of oil. And we're going to make a nice little packet. Pull the edges over, just like that. Now we're going to place this on a baking sheet and we're going to put it in our oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. Our garlic is done. It's been about 35 to 40 minutes. Oh yeah, that looks good. Smells amazing. I wish you could smell this. We've taken on some color and it looks great. Now you can store this into your fridge for about a week in an airtight container. And you can use this in pastas, any application to where you use garlic, you can add the roasted garlic in. You can also puree this up. You can have a roasted garlic puree, add it to a mayonnaise, and you'll have a roasted garlic aioli. It's really good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Our community has really grown. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers. I truly want to thank every single one of you for being a part of the channel and watching. It truly means a lot. Thanks for stopping in. You can also check us out on Facebook at HomeHeadChef. If you're interested in the outdoors like hunting and fishing, I'll drop a link for my other channel down in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.